Welcome to the marshlands, a vital type of wetland ecosystem. Marshes are characterized by poorly drained soils and the dominance of grasses, sedges, and other water-loving plants. Unlike swamps, which are dominated by trees, marshes thrive with these grass-like species, making them essential for water filtration, flood control, and as habitats for wildlife. There are two main types of marshes: freshwater marshes and salt marshes. Freshwater marshes are found near rivers, lakes, and ponds, where they absorb floodwaters and prevent downstream flooding. Plants like cattails and reeds dominate these areas, which are crucial for wildlife and flood regulation. Salt marshes, on the other hand, form along coastal areas. They are flooded and drained by seawater, creating habitats rich in biodiversity. Salt-tolerant plants like Spartina grasses thrive here, contributing to the resilience of coastlines. Marshes often form where rivers meet the sea, such as in river deltas. Sediment carried by rivers settles, creating nutrient-rich soil that supports diverse plant life. The Mississippi Delta in the US, the Nile Delta in Egypt, and the Amazon Delta in Brazil are prime examples where marshes provide breeding grounds for fish, birds, and other wildlife. One of the largest marsh ecosystems is the Everglades in Florida. This slow-moving river of grass is home to endangered species like the Florida panther and supports countless species of birds, reptiles, and plants. The Everglades play a vital role in water regulation and provide shelter for a diverse range of wildlife. Freshwater marshes, like those in the Mississippi River Basin, play a crucial role in water filtration. As water flows through, the dense plant roots trap sediments and absorb excess nutrients, cleaning the water before it reaches rivers and lakes. This natural filtration process is essential for maintaining healthy waterways. Salt marshes, found along coastlines like the eastern United States, Europe, and New Zealand, are some of the most productive ecosystems on Earth. They act as buffers, protecting coastal areas from storm surges and erosion, while providing essential habitats for fish and shellfish. Salt marshes also play a key role in carbon storage, helping to mitigate climate change. Salt marshes are highly productive, especially areas like those dominated by Spartina alterniflora, which can produce thousands of grams of biomass per square meter each year. This remarkable growth helps support a thriving food chain, from small invertebrates to larger predators like birds of prey. So to sum it up, marshes, whether saltwater or freshwater, are critical to the survival of countless species. By protecting and restoring marshes, we preserve their invaluable benefits for future generations. Marshes aren't just wetlands. They are the lifeblood of biodiversity and environmental balance, vital to our planet's health and resilience.